So welcome guys to another video, and if you've been watching my last two videos, I've told you that I'm sick. Well, the last 2 days, that's not because I'm sick, I'm not uploading. I know I haven't uploaded in like 2 days. Well, when I'm recording this, I already released a video. Which will already be out by the time this video's up. It already is, as I'm speaking. It's been up for like over an hour now. Well, it's been 2 days since, and then I uploaded today. Well, I'm doing another chugging video. I know this is I just did one. That was my last video before I didn't upload for 2 days. It was because I really didn't have many ideas. Well, I have multiple ideas wrote down in my notes on the phone I'm recording on, but let's get to let's just stop dragging this out. Okay, this is a chugging video. Like and subscribe, put notifications on and everything. But anyway, let's get into the chugging. I'm chugging a chocolate milk Perry Farm, so you know it's good. This is actually from Casey's. This is actually bussin'. We actually ordered pizza like 2 nights ago, or whatever, and for some odd reason we got chocolate milk with it. We don't know if we accidentally got somebody else's order, like the chocolate milk part, or they gave it for free because my mom did not order chocolate milk. Well, we got chocolate milk. We got like 8 bottles, or maybe not even that, maybe 5 or 6, I don't know, but we're going into it. And also I got my lunch, so it's a mukbang video almost. My lunch is a piece of pizza. I've already eaten more than half of it, and some less than half a bowl of Cheetos. I'm probably going to, shortly after this, work out again, work off this, but this is mainly a chugging video, but I'm also going to eat my lunch in this. I don't know if you can hear that. But, I'm still a little congested and stuff. Well, let's get into the chugging video, okay? And I got called, but yeah. So let's get into it. I probably won't get to eat the Cheetos on camera, but the off-brand Cheetos, because my grandma buys off-brand stuff. Yes, I'm poor. You would think, because I've been doing chugging videos, not that many, I haven't been doing it every day, but I should be starting to get better or something. I'm almost done with it though. It's officially done, okay? Now it's time to not burp. My stomach, I feel something brewing. It's probably a burp because of how much I just chugged. Because it's a decent sized bottle. It's not like a 20 ounce. It's actually a 16 ounce. Oh, I feel burp coming. I'm gonna try to to record a little bit of me eating my lunch and hopefully not burping. If you see the shirt, too bad. I got his newest drop, and it took me a while to get it because I think it made you pay 4 different payments, okay? And it took about a month to get it, but it's really nice quality, really comfortable. Definitely, the size is correct. It's not like some places where you get like shirts or something and it's not the size it says it is, or it doesn't seem like it. It's like really tight, or even really, really big compared to what it's supposed to be. Oh, okay. Casey's pizza, I think it's really good. But the pizza we got, the crust is hard as a rock. Like, I swear, if I threw the crust at a wall, it'd make a big thud. I swear. I actually think eating this pizza is helping me not burp. Am I actually gonna get this? I might beat this challenge for once. And just know, just because I beat the challenge does not mean I'm not gonna do anymore. This challenge is gonna go until I can't. I've already drank everything I can drink. I'm not gonna drink Chug beer, something retarded. Well, funny, but it's stupid. But yeah, I think I did it. I still feel it coming. So when I end this video, I will technically win the challenge because it is whatever I film. So hopefully I win this challenge. I'm gonna eat a few more bites and end this video. I'm gonna have to move this bowl, man. My cat's trying to eat my Cheetos, bro. Where's my Cheetos? Anyway, oh, no, I burped. Oh, God, man. Bro. Why? Why did I not end the video there? I could have won this challenge, man. My cat distracted me from not burping. I'm gonna have to throw this out this window, man. I'm kidding, I would not do that, but come on, bro. I almost won. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna take one more bite. Okay.